Greetings everyone. I am Uday Sharma from the EEE Department of Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now I am going to discuss about the topic search for an element in an array. Search for an element in an array. Let us discuss about the code for finding an array element when the element is first found. Hash include stdio.h while defining the size of an array. Hashtag define max size 100. Int main that gives int array defining an array int array max size integer int size I to search found. Printing f enter size of array to display the output. Scanning the integer. Scan %d represents the integer and size. Printf enter elements in an array. To enter the number of elements, we should use this iteration. For I is equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus, appending this I, value of I. While satisfying this condition, we are scanning the value of I in an array. Now, printing the element we needed to search. Printf enter element to search. And now in getting the input of the element, scanf %d to search. Let us take a base variable found is equals to 0. Again, taking a loop for I is equals to 0, I less than size and I plus plus. If array I, the element I in the given array or the typed array, if it is equal to the entered input value to search, if both the values are equal, we need to say that the found is equals to 1. Then we are breaking the iteration. If the found is equals to 1, that means if the previous condition is satisfied, we need to write that the %n %n is given for the next line, %d is given for the number, is found at the position %d. Here the first number is to search and that is the type input number we given and I plus 1. Or else we should type that the element given is not found in the array. We are returning the value 0. This is the output we get. Suppose we take an array of size 5 and we are giving the input numbers 12, 21, 10, 11, 54, etc. And I am giving the input as 22. As there is no 22 in the given array, it shows 22 is not found in the array. Let us discuss the algorithm of the code. The algorithm is as follows. Iterating the array using the loop. As we have seen before, we have iterated using the for and if loop. Check whether the given key is present in the array. As we have seen before, similarly, array I is equal to search for the given example. If yes, we should print the given element is search found. Or else we should print that the search is not found. Let us consider another example. Let us take 5 numbers 34 to 2360. Suppose I have entered the input 100. It checks using the iteration, it checks the first value. It takes 34 as a condition. As 34 is not equal to the given input 100, it leaves and again goes to the next step. It goes to 2. As 2 is also not equal to 100, it again goes to next step, 23. As 23 is also not equal to 100, it goes to next step. Here the value is 100, which is equal to the given input 100. So it prints the output search is found. Let's take another similar condition. Let us take same numbers 34 to 2360. Let us suppose I have given another number rather than these 5. Let us take another number 5. As 5 is not equal to 34, it goes to the next step. As it is not equal to 2, it again goes to next step. It is also not equal to 23. it goes to 100, and it is not equal to 5, so it goes to 60. So the 5 does not satisfy any of these conditions. So it prints the search is not found. This is a simple explanation of searching an array element. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Uday Sharma signing off.